I will start by importing this downloaded zip file, and let's go ahead and create a new project. And copy this code, and this jar, and we will need this SQLite jar. So let's go to properties, and let's create a new package, and move this driver, and let's copy this, and put it here. And instead of this hard-coded data here, we will have this method that will return that data as a two-dimensional array, and we will call that method to populate this two-dimensional array. And let's go ahead and refactor this. And let's go ahead and test run this. Actually, let's fix this first. And now let's test run it. And here we go. So we'll use the same document as on the original tutorial, so that we can compare the numbers. And let's copy this since we will need a driver for data coming from the database and one for data coming from a file. And this class will create the database and create and populate this table that will contain the same data as in the hard-coded case. And we will call this method from here. Given this URL, so this will be the database name. So let's go ahead and run this. So now we created and populated the database, and this method will be picking up data from the document table in the database. So let's go ahead and test run it. So same thing. And finally, let's go ahead and create this file that will contain that same data. And we will be picking up that file data using this method. So let's go ahead and test run it. And here we go.